Hi guys, very good morning. See, you know why the parrot always fail in UPSC? The thing is that who is the parrot? The first one who listen to motivational songs. Okay, everyday motivations, themes, right? He never clear UPSC. Okay, because UPSC need concept, not motivational songs. Second, who believe in parroting? Parroting, I mean, simple. Person who is from a state board. Okay, what they do, they have a habit of parroting everything. Okay, mostly Hindi medium, you already know Hindi medium people, they believe in parroting, right? And the third are the guys who only study history and polity. They are also parrot. So parrot always fail in UPSC, right? I think is that the UP is not about just prelims. Okay, there are many people who clear 5 prelims, okay, but never clears mains. There are many person who clear prem 2 time mains but interview 0 0 0. Okay, you will also get person who has clear 6 times mains, okay, but never clear interview. Interview 0. So they are parrots, right? So what do you need to do? The prelims, mains, and interview, right? So all three has equal importance. Interview, you need communication skills, right? Or means how you write editorials, how you love to write editorial, balancing of the act. And prelims, all about the concepts, right? And those who are not doing that, the parrot, like there are, you will get hundred of many person. Okay, what they are doing, they will go to a YouTube channel, okay, YT channel of IS officers and these IPS officers, okay, and the whole they will watch the video, this, okay, and what they will do, the only motivation, they listen motivation. By listening motivation, can anybody get selected? Definitely not, because this is not a game of motivation, this is a game of concepts, right? Take care guys, bye bye, thank you.